Hello guys, welcome to Tech Living. Today we will show you some awesome car gadgets. If you're new to our channel, please press subscribe button without any delay. Let's begin. This mirror dash touch cam is easy to install and has a feature of extendable front camera with 170 degrees wide field of view. Using high-definition streaming technology, both 1080p front and 1080p backup camera provide great video quality. An LG high-definition of 1080p backup camera presents super night vision in low light conditions, and the backup camera display with guidelines assist you safe parking. The IP67 waterproof rear view camera ensures a clear view of the traffic behind you no matter how bad the weather. It is built in GPS technology and G-sensor parking monitor. When the usual things are not where usual are, you can just tap Finding Tile app to make your tile ring, so you can get along with your day. When you're away from home and leave something behind, see the last time it's with you and get the directions backwards, saving the day. And by the way, did you know you can your find phone with Tile? Just double press the button on your tile and the phone will ring even when it's on silent. Emergency can happen at any time at anywhere, even when you're least expecting. So why not prepare yourself for these unwanted emergencies? It not only covers most necessities that work for most vehicles emergency, but also can provide a first aid for drivers to ensure more safety. It includes LED flashlights, raincoat, first aid kit and compact carry bag, safety hammer and seat belt cutter, tow rope, tire pressure gauge, non-slip gloves, reflective safety vest, triangle. All accessories are high quality to ensure that you can fill breakdown situations. It comes in a tidy storage bag for keeping neatly in the car, and also can put extra emergency tool. The car safety kit has everything you need to stay safe and legal when driving. The car phone holder is easy to mount, release and operate the phone with one hand. No distraction while driving. It is designed without magnets, full silicone material, avoid your phone be scratched. Cable slot design, the charging cable does not get dirty during charging. Dashboard mobile phone holder is suitable for most mobile phones or GPS from 6mm to 12mm thick. The sticky silicone material is easily moved without leaving a trace and does not need to be fixed permanently to your dashboard. Steering wheel portable tray is a coolest gadget for your car. This multi-purpose tray can turn into tablet or phone holder to watch videos, or can turn into your office desk. Even you can use this as food tray while eating. This car tray is also functions as a lap desk, so you do not have any problem while working or studying in your car. It's easy to take off from steering wheel and easily store. Electric bike pump Tyre Inflator is super compact, built with 1200 mAh battery which can inflate tires up to 120 psi in under 2 minutes. You can clearly see the measured air pressure and the present air pressure value on the large LCD screen. Auto shut off when target pressure is reached with LED. The product is equipped with a LED light function. Car vacuum cleaner is portable, lightweight, powerful, handheld vacuums with strong suction. It is equipped with a 2500 mAh Li-ion battery, 120W super high power motor with strong suction up to 8500 Pa. Finish a thorough cleaning without the hassle of interruption for recharging. Easily absorb dust and debris from small corners and gaps in house or car. It can easily handle any space and corners that the vacuum cleaner cannot enter. The perfect design allows you to clean with a good mood. The car LED light strip has a working voltage of 12 volts and is powered by a car charger, equipped with short circuit protection and memory function. It is easy to install and hide to keep your car clean and tidy. Waterproof, extremely low heat, touchable and safe for children. 2 lines connect with 4 strips to let you change the colors, brightness and music mode easily. Cigarette lighter plug has switch, indicator light, built-in fuse, protects the vehicle lights. Built-in high-sensitivity mic, spectrum with light and colors, adjusts automatically based on ambient sound. Car Bluetooth transmitter is hands-free call with KM20 enhanced microphone. You can easily pair your phone via Bluetooth. It customizes your music with a bass treble boost button. It supports QC 3.0 fast charging, even supports a flash drive and micro SD card. The stronger mic will amplify the voice sound while the noise cancellation technology avoids wind. Easily answer and reject calls. It supports Siri and Google Assistant. Car seat organizer is easy to set on the sides of your seat. You can provide space for phone, card, coin, etc. You can save a lot of time and keep basic small items moving anytime, anywhere. It is easy to clean and resistant against dirt, water, and long life, and added convenience to your life. The car mattress is made of thick vinyl and flocking materials which is skin friendly. And the inflatable car bed is mainly used in the back seat of a car, but can also be used as a camping mattress for outdoor activities. The car mattress size is 185 cm x 140 cm after inflated. The anti-drop design and the head protection design of the inflatable car mattress protects you from falling without worrying about sudden turns with brakes. The inflatable car mattress has equipped with an electric car pump and 3 types of funnels. Just connect the cigarette lighter socket to inflate the car mattress conveniently and quickly. It takes about 4 to 6 minutes to inflate or deflate the car bed. The car air mattress is equipped with 2 inflatable pillows, offering you a comfortable resting during travel. The inflatable car mattress is equipped with an independent supporting pier, which can support the car mattress to ensure balance and stability. This smart travel mug can keep liquid heated above 42 degrees Celsius for up to 6 hours, and liquid cooling below 10 degrees Celsius for up to 5 hours, which is longer than other insulating bottles. Waterproof LED display which can be fully immersed in the water. Elegant mirror, easy to understand the internal temperature of the liquid when touching the LED display. No need to pass your mouth to check the temperature and avoid burns. The 360-degree rotation does not have to worry about water leaks, and the sealing is good. Car cleaning gel is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your car. Please need several times before use. Press and pull dust will be taken away. Car gel cleaner is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards. To pick up the dirt, just press the car vent cleaner slightly on the dust surface and pull out the car cleaning gel slowly. The dirt would gone. Car cleaning slime could be used for several times till the color of the car cleaning kit turns to dark. You can also press the laptop cleaner on the keyboard surface and then pull out the keyboard cleaning kit slowly. The dust would be carried away with the keyboard cleaner. This car ceiling roof light is short press and off. It lights up instantly. Simple and practical fix with double-sided tape. Magnet adsorption. Does not damage the car roof, increases the brightness. Make it easy to retrieve items from the car boot at night or charging. No need to replace the battery. Remove the attached double-sided tape and stick it on the back of the magnetization sheet. Remove the protective film of the fixing glue and stick it to the installation. Place the back of the reading lamp. Comes with a magnetic adsorption function.
Car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go. Whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by Astro AI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.
Scanner for beginners and car owners. It supports full OBD2 diagnostic functions like read and clear codes, IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard monitor test, EVAP system test, and reading vehicle information. With a fault code library, Think OBD100 displays the fault code definition directly, saving you time searching. Think OBD makes advanced diagnostic very simple, even for beginners to understand. Plug and play, the live data stream is clearly showing on the screen. With a 39-inch extremely long OBD cable directly powered from the vehicle with multi-language software, think OBD 100 makes the diagnostic so easy.